Okay, we're here today with Jeff Conine. Hi, Jeff.
Hello.
So, Jeff, this is, you're with Shop to Earn now, just joined, and this is, I guess maybe you could count it as your third career?
Yeah, it's been, I guess, a little more than a hobby. It's something we've taken to and spent a lot of time on, and we do a lot of meetings and gatherings at the house to spread the word about Shop to Earn and how it benefits our family and how it could benefit other people's families.
So your first and second careers are pretty significant. We're excited to have you here with us. Tell us, what's a day in the life of Jeff Conine today?
Pretty basic. Now that I'm retired from my playing career, I spent a lot more time with the kids and got up this morning at 6 a.m. to get them off to school and got a workout in. We'll take care of any Shop to Earn business that we might have today. I think we're going to have a meeting next week locally, so make some phone calls and get some people to that meeting, and then about 2:30 in the afternoon I go to the ballpark and start my night job, which is special assistant to the president for the Marlins.
Okay, great. And so tell us a little bit about some of the things you like about Shop to Earn.
Well, one of the biggest things I think that we've got involved with the business is the people that we met are outstanding, and kind of the networking that you get when you go to these meetings. You meet people from all walks of life and all different kinds of careers and services, and we had a party here the other night that we met a caterer through Shop to Earn. She's part of the business now, and we met her at one of our parties, and she ended up catering one of our events. As I mentioned before, Rich Silvero, who is the #4 earner in Shop to Earn, he is a painting contractor, and we recently did some renovations to our house, and he ended up painting our house. So it's been a great way to meet new people for one, and a great way to network, and especially for anyone that has a business that like Rich does has painting, he gets to meet a lot of people and share that story with them.